Bonjour tout le monde. Hi everybody. Monsieur Steve here, back again with another Learn the French with Monsieur Steve video. It's a beginner's French video and we will learn the days of the week and the months of the year. So before we get started, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you could hit the subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. So we'll start with the days of the week. I will say it in English and then I'll say it in French for you to repeat with me. Are you ready? Awesome. So, Monday is lundi. Lundi. Monday is lundi. Okay? Tuesday. Tuesday is mardi. Mardi. Wednesday is mercredi. Mercredi. Thursday is jeudi. 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 Friday is vendredi. 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 Saturday, one of my favorites, is samedi. 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 And then Sunday is dimanche. Dimanche. Sunday is dimanche. So we have lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, et dimanche. You now know all the 7 days of the week. Let's go over to the months of the year. Les mois de l'année. On a fait les jours de la semaine, the days of the week, les jours de la semaine. And now we're going to do les mois de l'année, the months of the year. Once again, we have January is janvier. January, janvier. February, février. Février. March, mars. Mars. April, avril. Avril. May, mai. Mai. June, juin. Juin. July. So these are my favorite months, by the way, because it is the summer and I love the summer. July is juillet. Juillet. August is août. Août. September. Septembre. That one's really hard because it's nothing like the English one. Septembre. September. Septembre. October. Octobre. Again, very challenging. Octobre. October. November. Novembre. Look, if you speak English, you're almost there. Novembre. November. And December. Décembre. Décembre. So, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, et décembre. All right, you are now experts. Watch this video again and again and again, and you will know the days of the week and the months of the year. Félicitations, mes amis, and if you've liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.